Hello, everybody. How are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. I want to take this sweatshirt because I want to repurpose it. It it's an extra large, but it's just too. The arms are too short, and it's actually the body is too short. It's been washed a few times, and these sleeves come up here like this. But this is a sweater. It's supposed to come like this. This one is, but the sleeves are too short, and then it rides at my belly, so it's too small for me. It's just not fitting right. But it's the hustle is real, and rhinestones. I have got to keep this, so I have outlined it, and it's like 11 and a half by 11 and a half, and I'm going to cut this out. What I'm going to do with it, where I'm going to place it, I don't know yet, but I have to keep this part. Here goes, here goes, here goes. I'm just going to cut into it so I can get in there. And I'm using my pinking shears. I don't know why, just because. So let me see if I can get on this line and cut it straight. Then I'll figure out what I'm going to do with this, but I definitely have to keep it. Oh, and the outline was done in chalk, so it will wash out. Also, this sweatshirt was given to me by my dear friend Marilyn, Making with Marilyn. So, honey bunny, no worries. I am repurposing. These rhinestones, your hard work, your attention to detail, and your kindness will not go down in vain. Okay, it's out. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do. But isn't that beautiful? I have to keep that. And will I use this for something else? I don't know. So I'll be back when I think about it and see what I'm gonna do with this. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.